change the chain case fluid on a Polaris EVO, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake. Clean the area around the fill plug. Remove the fill plug and set aside. Place a drain pan underneath the drain plug. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of fluid. Clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the chain case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle. Dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.